Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we are going to fix this. The solenoid, gas solenoid, this little thingy here, it went out. So it leaked all my gas out and I have no more gas to weld. So today we're going to fix that. Should be an easy fix. I've already looked at it a little bit. So let's get started.
Take it out.
There you have it. That's the completed product. Alright, first thing you want to do, you got 4 screws up here. You only need to take the 2 ones that are furthest apart from each other out. Okay. And then you got these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. They are 1/4 inch. Okay. Once you take all that out, it just slides off. Put this off to the side, and then you can get inside. Now, this is my second time opening this. The first time was the other day. I haven't cleaned it out or anything. It could use a clean, but I'm not worried about that. Right now, this is the thing that I'm worried about. Pull off the hose, red on top, exposed on the bottom. Alright, then you undo this hose here. Like so. And then this big nut here, this is a plastic nut. Just like that. This is the old one. And this is the new one. That's the part number there. 216397. And literally you just reverse the process. So this goes into here like this. Take the nut, have a new one. So that goes here. Tighten that down. Be careful with it because it is mostly plastic. Well, it's all plastic. Okay, that's tight. Come back in here. Red up top. Ground at the bottom. Then you take the hose, put the hose back in. Looks like I might need a new hose soon. I wonder if that's gonna leak. And then you tighten this back up. Alright, and then you put this back on. And that's that. What I'm gonna do though, let's see. What I'm probably gonna do, here, I'll use these. I can't find them right now. Back some, just so that I know it's got a good seal since it's a new one. Take this off. I'm just going to cut the old formed piece out. like so. I'm just gonna put that on because it fits nice and tight. Just like that. Alright, so that's that. All you gotta do is put it back together. So, just take this, slide it in, tighten these two up, like so, and then put these back in. Alright, and that's it. Yeah. So, let me go get my tank from my car and hook everything up. I'll plug this thing in and see if it works. Alright, got everything set up. So, last time, you could hear the air coming out at all times. I hear nothing. I'm holding it up to the mic. Do you guys hear anything? I hear nothing. I'll even take the dead cat off. Straight to the mic. Nothing. Alright. Turn it on. Oh, here. Let's turn the actual air on first. It's open. I hear nothing. Okay. Turn it on. I also hear nothing. Hit the button. You can hear it now. So, that is fixed. I also checked the hose on the back where it was cracked. Put the dead cat back on. Where it looked like it was cracked. Sprayed it down with some soapy water. And it's not leaking at all. So that's all good for right now. Alright. So, after all of that, I hopefully have a working welder. So it's just getting to test it again. It's cold, it's wet, it's rainy. I don't want to test it today. Hopefully it'll be better next weekend. Today is Monday. This video will also go up today. It's just been horrible weather, apparently across the United States, but even here. So yeah. Sorry for the short video. Sorry for rambling on. I got new tips also. So the place I bought it from said if I spent $80 or more, it would expedite my shipping. It still took a week to get here. I don't know if it was the weather or if they were just lying about the $80 or more. But so yeah, I needed new tips anyway. I think only one's gonna fit for me though. But yeah, also update on the engine bay from what I can see. Rust is starting to come through, so I'm gonna sand it down again until I get all the rust to stop coming through. I cleaned all this area up. It looks nice. I'm probably gonna hit this a little bit more and then re-primer that. But and then here, I gotta figure out how to get in here. See that wetness that's seeping through the primer? I was doing it over here too the other day. I don't know why. I'll look into that too. I cleaned everything off and dried it off before I etched it, or etch primered it. But yeah, so sorry for rambling. Short video. See you guys next weekend with some more welding action and maybe some other stuff. So yeah, until then, see you next time.